Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to go over the Nintendo Switch gaming kit. We'll look at what's included and how to set up the console. This kit is available for member libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks to support programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow members to become familiar with the system before purchasing one of your own. You will need a TV or HDMI monitor to use the Switch. Let's take a look at what's inside of the actual kit itself. So it comes in a green bin just like this. And inside, the first thing we're going to find is a copy of the PLS video game lending policy. There's also a list of all the games in the kit, including descriptions and age ratings, a list of tips and tricks for using the system, and a setup sheet. In total, we have 9 games. These range from single player all the way up to 4 to 8 players. And we have an extra set of controllers or Joy-Cons. Next, we have the box that the console comes in. And the top part has the actual monitor and the Joy-Cons. So this is like the screen, and then the controllers you would slide on each side of the screen to play it handheld. There's also some setup equipment. So we have the docking station. We have Joy-Con straps that you would slide on each of the controllers. We have the Joy-Con grip, and then an HDMI cable and an AC adapter. Let's look at how you would set it up if you were using a TV or a monitor. So the first thing you need to do is to connect the AC adapter, which is this cord, and you need to connect it to the docking station. So it flips down just like that, and you would clip it in. And then we need to plug it into an outlet. Next, we're going to take the HDMI cable, and one end is going to go in the docking station. So flip down and clip it in. And the other end is going to go into our monitor. Next, we're going to detach the controllers from the Switch. And we're going to put our Joy-Con straps on. So these just slide directly onto the controller, and these will keep them on our wrists and keep them from flying everywhere. We're then going to take the screen, the console screen, and it's going to slide into the docking station. So it should clip in. Next, we're going to take the game we want to play, and you're going to insert it in the top of the monitor and push it in just like that. And so on the home screen, there's going to be a list of games, but we want to make sure we select the one that we put into the actual system. So I've pressed go, and now the game is starting. There are a number of multiplayer games inside the kit that can be used for all types of programming. Some ideas you might consider include video game tournaments, team game nights, or even passive programming. We also ask, please do not leave the console unattended. There's foam and bubble wrap to cushion the console when packing up. If you would like to request the kit, please email Barb and we will reserve a spot on the list. If you have a game request or would like to learn more information, please contact me at dlatosky@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thank you.